Good morning students, I am back again with another session of chapter 6, Keeping Safe. Today's topic is Prevention is better than cure. Prevention is better than cure. What does this mean? It basically means that it's better to stay away from diseases or injuries rather than being cured for it. That means that we should always follow the safety rules and stay away, try to keep ourselves away from accidents. If we wear a helmet, we will be safe. If we follow the safety rules, if we follow the traffic light rules, then we will be safe. So we can make attempts at our end to keep ourselves safe. So these attempts are called basically prevention. So prevention is better than cure. Okay. So similarly, now for saving ourselves or preventing ourselves from accidents or injuries, there are different safety rules that we can follow in the school, in the playground, right? Or anywhere outside, which we have already studied in the previous sessions. But at the same time, staying healthy is equally important as staying safe. So how can we keep ourselves healthy? How can we keep ourselves healthy? For that, we also need to take care of our environment and keep it neat and clean. We have to keep it free from various things. So let us see what are the things that we can do or that we can keep our environment free from, which will help us to stay healthy. Okay, so the first thing is kitchen and garbage racks. So whatever the waste material has been collected in the garbage or the kitchen, right? So those rags, you must throw them out on an everyday basis, right? So next is mosquito and flies. You should clean your house daily, and every once in a while we should clean, spray different kinds of mosquito repellent sprays we should use, right? So that there are no mosquitoes. We should not leave dirty things here and there in the house or anywhere else, so that the mosquitoes can breed on it. Okay. So the next thing is stagnant water. Stagnant water means ठहरा हुआ पानी. If there is stagnant water anywhere in the pots or in open pots or something like that, then naturally mosquitoes will come over there and it will cause several diseases. Next, dirt and dust. Dirt and dust is a definite no-no. It goes into your nose and it causes allergies. So dirt and dust must also be kept away from the environment. You should try and clean the environment, be it your school, be it your house, be it your office. All the places should be free from dirt and dust, stagnant water, mosquitoes and flies, kitchen and garbage racks. So you should keep the places where you stay, where you work, where you study, all these places must be free from these things. If you do this, it will help you to stay healthy, your environment will be neat and clean, and it will help you to stay healthy and live a healthy lifestyle. Other than that, when we talk about good hygiene, students, so these days, especially these days, we have been talking a lot about good hygiene, like cutting your nails short and keeping them clean, washing your hands again and again after every meal and before every meal, clean your mouth thoroughly and rinse it after every meal. These are the few hygiene rules, or these are the few good hygiene habits basically that will help you stay safe from the diseases, because these diseases basically enter our mouth or enter our body through our hands, nose or mouth, right? So all these germs that are present in our environment will be gone, then naturally our body will be safe and healthy, and if we maintain our good hygiene habits, then also we will be staying away from the diseases, right? So these are the things that we must follow Now let's read page number 61. Prevention is better than cure. We spend our day either at home, at school or at office. If we are careful and follow the safety rules, we keep ourselves safe. Staying healthy is as important as being safe. We can keep away from diseases and stay healthy by keeping ourselves and our environment clean. We must take care to keep our home and school free from dust and dirt, kitchen garbage and rags, waste things such as used pen refills or empty cartons, mosquito and flies that may spread diseases, stagnant water in pots that can breed mosquitoes. Enough amount of sunlight and fresh air in our home and school also helps us in staying healthy. It is also important to take enough amount of sunlight. There should be proper ventilation in our house, in our school, in our offices, so that there is enough sunlight, which will help us to stay healthy. Then remember, if you look at this box, blue blocks, there are some key points that we must remember. Good hygiene keeps us safe from diseases. Washing your hand before and after meals is important. Wash your hands with antiseptic soap after playing. Germs can live under fingernails. Keep them short and clean. Rinse your mouth after every meal to keep your teeth safe from bacteria. So these are the points that we have already discussed. It is important. Again, I will repeat, it is very important to stay safe and stay healthy. Right? This is what we have been hearing again and again, especially during this corona time. What the doctors have been saying, that wash your hands again and again, keep your fingernails short, keep your nose and mouth covered, wear a mask when you go out. Why are they saying all this? Because naturally the germs enter our body through these three areas, either through the hands when we put them in our mouth to eat food, or through the nose, or through our mouth, or through our eyes, right? So this is why it has become very important to stay safe and stay healthy, follow good hygiene habits and keep your surrounding clean. So that's all.